Theater. My fans, this is Kojak Country Lifestyle YouTube channel. Special welcome again. These are beans, rich protein food. I'm gonna cook some curry bean today with some codfish. So I'm gonna reap beans, then take them out of their pods and cook the beans inside. Glad to have you watching this video. Remember to give the video a thumbs up. Be kind, because the more good you do, you get more blessing. Believe me when I say that. Welcome to Jamaica. Look at the environment, the element, how beautiful the day is. I always like to have my fans and watch my channel. Big up all of my fans them. I don't know no regular fans them. Bean, curry bean, codfish, you ever had it yet? A Kojak country lifestyle. Country life so nice. Yo, big up yourself, Stamina. Cecile, Kate, Love One, Dana, Stone Breezy, all of my fans them, Ghana, Africa, Philippines, America, Africa, Australia, everywhere. Jam down. Dumpling, they need up dumpling. We dropping pumpkin in the pot already now. Pumpkin in the pot. To save time, I shell out the peas them and thing and drop on the cut peas them for cook now. So please take a look at the beans. Curry bean. See them my fans. Curry bean with some codfish. Drop all my garlic and scotch bonnet pepper and such like black pepper, green onion and more stuff of going on, You ever try the curry bean? This is real protein, healthy. Better than meat, stamina than your thing this car. You know eat meat, my brother in Texas. Look for me pot, about 1,000 different time food cooking at that pot here. So you get whole, at about 2,000 times maybe. Just taste the bean, man. It's soft and nice. Yeah. Welcome to Jamaica. This is Kojak Country Lifestyle.
Yeah, hear me? Check out Kojak Country Lifestyle on the YouTube channel. Go check it out right now. Ye my strength. You understand what I say? Country life, nice, nice, nice. Sweeter than sugar and spice. Nice, nice, nice. Sweeter than sugar and spice. Yo, Star Apple, they on the go. Raspberry, they on the go. Yam and banana, they on the go. Sugar cane, they on the go. Fresh river water make you look like you are glow. Nice, nice, nice. Check out Kojak Country Lifestyle YouTube channel. Willie Wilson, big up yourself. Commander Joseph. Go.
So you can cook your own food, Nice, my peeps. But you can cook your own food. This is country lifestyle. Kojak country living. Yeah. I have to share. Wonder how you go share, man. I think I 6 dumpling. Who me I go give? Who need dumpling in them food? Look on the St. Vincent yam. And some dumpling, St. Vincent yam, St. Vincent yam. Pumpkin dumpling. Curry bean. Codfish. Real Jamaican hillbilly food, No burger thing around here for me. No Chick-fil-A, like Stamina down there with Chick-fil-A, Wendy's and them places. None of them the food for me right here. So in a jam rock, natural food from the earth. Ripper. fans, the boat ready now, the boat land. The boat, what me call the boat, food. In time in Jamaica, when the food ready, we country force would have said the boat land. That is the pot it cook. If you like in America, Europe and those countries, that's how we might say it in our local dialect, the boat land. So please take a good look at the boat now. See, then now my fans' food ready, cook and ready. Just to be shared out now, you know. Put the curry bean on it. Good old dumplings. This is food, all my. Please take a good look at my food now, my fans. See them, my fans. Now watch the curry them a drop here, so. Then what's how we man share. Look upon the little curry over there, so. Only have some food there now, my fans. Please leave a comment.